What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda. Hey, I just bought this. I got this on Amazon. It says right there, Shannon Personal Care SH1711. And I'll tell you what, it's a razor kit, not unlike a lot of razors that you've seen here on the channel. I've checked them out, but I picked this one up for a couple of interesting reasons. First of all, I was looking for some specific criteria to be met. One, a really good price point, so something not terribly expensive, and this fit the bill. Secondly, I wanted something with a lot of accessories. Not that I need them all, but a razor, when you have the base here and you have a bunch of different things, you can use it for a lot of different things. So look at this. Here what we see is a clip-on accessory for nose hair trimming right there. You'll probably need that. We've got this little thing. It's a small trimmer, a short trimmer, like, swings back and forth right there. So kind of nice little touch-up work. It has, kind of that old school, I always thought of them as like Norelco, what do you call them? Like shavers. Not the spinning heads, but this is like what my grandpa used to have. So just like that. I wonder if this opens up here actually. I don't know. You gotta be able to empty it somehow. So this thing these blades kind of shake back and forth right under there. So I remember these things quite fondly. Right here we have, looks like we can change the depth on this bad boy, I'm assuming. Because it says 1, 2, 3, yeah, slides in and out. So you can, trim the back of your head or the sides and cut it to different lengths. As you can see there we have, again, kind of a cross-cutting tool right there. This is all plastic here. You can see how wide it is, and it's got a little curve to it. And then here we have, looks like just a, I don't know, looks like this, this would just clip on, in the way of my shot here, to this, because right now it's got a kind of your standard barber's trimmer, and this would clip on to this like this. I'm afraid I could do this right. And that'll give you kind of a standoff range for being able to almost cut your own hair without cutting it too short. And I think I should just lift off like that. And then the piece that fell out over here is, I think, just a replacement head here, but it's obviously a little different, a little wider, a little thicker, some bigger holes right there. So that takes care of most of those. Down below here, holy smokes, got a bunch of stuff. All right, so first of all, I'll tell you, because I was kind of cheap and looking for a good price point on stuff, I didn't realize how much stuff it comes with. It comes with a base here for storing everything. We've got the little clean out brush, little and wide bristles. We've got a comb here. We've got another, looks like a guard here. And then inside we have the instruction booklet, as well as some more of these plastic standoff guards. And then we have a power plug, but as you can see here, it's micro USB. And that was really one piece of criteria that I absolutely had to have. So I have other razors, and I guess I don't have them right here, but they're micro USB rechargeable, and that's really awesome because having the actual charging cords for the different types of razors, Braun, Norelco, all of those, is really kind of a pain to find those and to have those. Everyone's got micro USB, so that's pretty awesome. All right, now let's take a look at, well, first of all, I'll just tell you, you can put all this stuff in here. I'm not even sure how it all goes in, but there you go. You can have everything in one nice, neat spot. Okay, then you got the razor just like that. So, got everything that you need. One nice little caddy. Now, here's the razor itself, or the shaver, or the tool, the core tool. It's gold painted here. We have some like black chrome up here, power button, LED light right there. And then on this side, we have micro USB charging, and then the head up top here. Instructions, you want to kind of pry from the top. Let's see here. Oh, just like that, pops out. And now, if we need to trim that bushy nose hair of yours, you can put this in on the bottom and just reverse it, clip it in just like that. And now, if you hit the power button, see if there's any charge on this bad boy. There is. You can see how it's whirring away, ready to trim that forest in your nose. And again, always at the top edge, pull it down, and then we could go to the small trimmer here, just like this. Boom. trim things up. Pretty awesome. Absolutely everything here seems to work, so I have no qualms about the quality. And in fact, let's say everything seems pretty high quality. All the plastic bits are appropriate. All the pieces that you would hope and expect to be metal seem to be metal, so I'm pretty impressed with that. And like I said, it comes with a charging block right there, so pretty cool. I definitely dig this professional trimmer set, and like I said, I picked it up on Amazon without breaking the bank. So if you want to pick up something like this, I will put a link to it in the description. But the big things to me is really nice accessory and feature set, but micro USB rechargeable, and it was inexpensive. Link in the description. Peter from Panda. Out.